You've probably seen tons of AI agent tutorials on YouTube, but let's be honest, most of them are way too complicated for beginners. Many YouTubers show how to build AI agents using N8N, but before you can even start, you'll need to subscribe to N8N or figure out how to install it on your computer. It's not as easy as you might think. I'll walk you through every step using Jotform AI Agent, and I promise, it's easier than you think. This AI agent will help you track every transaction and expense automatically. Instead of downloading yet another expense tracking app, your AI agent works seamlessly in the background, keeping everything organized without installing anything extra. Whether you're managing your budget, tracking business expenses, or just trying to save more money, this AI-powered system makes it effortless. If that sounds exciting, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI automation tutorials. Now, let's dive in. We're going to build this AI-powered personal expense tracker assistant in just 5 simple steps. First of all, click the link in the video description to go straight to the Jotform AI Agent templates page. Once you're there, you'll see a list of pre-built AI agents that you can customize. For this tutorial, search the Expense Report AI Agent template and open it to preview. Jotform AI Agent works across multiple channels, so you can choose the one that fits your needs. Standalone mode, run it directly in Jotform, no extra setup needed. Chatbot mode, embed it on your website to answer questions instantly. Voice agent, let users talk to your AI, just like a virtual assistant. Phone agent, your AI can even handle phone calls. Agent app, access your AI agent easily through a dedicated app. SMS agent, get responses via text messaging. WhatsApp and Messenger, deploy your AI on popular messaging apps for easy communication. So whether you prefer chat, voice, or even phone interactions, Jotform AI Agent has you covered. In this tutorial, we'll focus on standalone mode to build your expense tracker. Now that you know what Jotform AI Agent can do, let's click Use Agent button to move on to the next step and start building your own AI-powered expense tracker. When you open your AI agent, the first thing you'll see is the conversation page. This is where you can test and interact with your AI, just like a real conversation. You can switch to preview mode and start chatting. This lets you try out your AI agent in real time before making any customizations. The best part is it works on multiple devices. Whether you're on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone, your AI agent is ready to assist you anytime, anywhere. In step 2, we're going to customize the AI agent's avatar to make it truly yours. Jotform AI Agent provides tons of avatars for you to choose from. Whether you want something professional, friendly, or futuristic, there's an avatar that fits your style. But here's where it gets really exciting. Jotform AI Agent lets you generate a completely unique avatar using AI. Just type in a description of what you want, like a friendly AI accountant with glasses, a business suit and holding a calculator, and Jotform's AI will create it for you. You can update the agent name. By default, it comes with a generic name, but you can change it to anything that fits your brand or purpose. Change the background color of the page and layout to customize it to match your style. If you're using this AI agent for business or personal branding, you can upload your own logo to make it look even more professional. In step 3, we'll open the form builder to set up the expense report form. Click on the Train tab and click on Expense Report Form to open it in the form builder. The form builder lets you customize how your AI agent collects and organizes expense data, no coding needed. In the form builder, where we can modify the fields, structure, and design of our expense report form. Click on the Names field and edit the options to fit your needs. In the form builder, you can add, remove, or change these categories based on how you want to organize your expenses. Now, this is super important. If you want to make sure your AI agent never skips this field, switch on the Required option. This means that if a user forgets to enter this information, the AI agent will prompt them to fill it in instead of moving forward. In the form builder, we have a file upload field that allows users to upload related documents, such as receipts, invoices, or transaction records. Here, you can set a maximum file size. For example, 5 megabytes per file is usually enough for receipts. Or you can control which file types can be uploaded, such as JPG, PNG, Word, and PDF. If you don't want users to upload too many documents, you can limit the number of files.
Now, here comes the most crucial step, training your AI agent. In next step, we're going to teach our AI how to respond accurately to users by training it with specific instructions and conversation examples. This is what will turn your AI into a smart, reliable finance assistant that understands and answers questions the right way. Let's dive into Step 4, Training your AI Agent. In Step 4, we'll customize the AI persona. First, let's give our AI agent a proper name and job title. This makes the interaction feel more personal and professional. Next, set the default language. This is how your AI will greet and interact with users. You can choose a tone of voice. Do you want your AI to be casual or professional and friendly? It all depends on the experience you want to create. You can also adjust the conversation style. A concise AI gives short, straight-to-the-point answers, while a detailed AI provides more in-depth explanations. And now for the fun part, you can even customize how your AI sounds. Choose between a male or female voice and select an American or British accent to match your brand or audience preference. The knowledge base is where your AI gets its information. It comes with a set of predefined questions and answers, but you can modify it based on your needs. For this expense report AI agent, the template includes 5 common questions related to tracking expenses, but we're going to customize it to make it even better. First, let's update the expense categories to match what we changed in our form earlier. This ensures that when users ask about valid expense types, the AI agent provides the correct information. The template also includes a question about departments, but since our expense tracker doesn't use this, we'll remove it to avoid confusion. We'll also remove any extra details in the knowledge context that don't apply to our setup. This keeps the AI agent's responses clear, concise, and relevant. You can also upload files, add websites, and expand the AI agent's knowledge to make it even smarter. One of the best ways to train your AI is by uploading files. For example, let's say I want my AI agent to remind me about my credit card due dates. I can upload an Excel file that contains all my due dates, and the AI will use this information to answer my questions. But that's not all. You can also add a website URL as a knowledge source. If you have a webpage that contains spending guidelines, you can link it here. The AI agent will pull information from the website to answer related questions. You can also add more custom knowledge, questions and answers. By adding these, we make sure our AI agent can provide more useful, relevant answers to users. Jotform AI Agent also provides a tools section, where you can extend the AI agent's capabilities and allowing it to perform automated tasks beyond just answering questions. Let's say you want your AI agent to store all your receipts in Google Drive. By adding the Google Drive tool, the AI can automatically upload receipt files when a user submits them. No more manual saving, everything is stored and organized for you. Another powerful tool is email automation. You can configure your AI agent to send you a summary of your expenses via email. Alright. We've built and trained our AI agent, now it's time for the final step, publishing it. Jotform AI Agent lets you publish your AI across multiple channels, so you can use it anywhere you need. Let's go over the different options. If you want to share your AI agent instantly, the standalone agent is the easiest option. You'll get a direct link that you can share via social media. You can even generate a QR code so users can scan and access it directly. And if you want to embed it on a web page, Jotform offers different embed styles to match your website's design. If you prefer to have your AI agent directly on your website, you can use the chatbot agent option. Just paste the code on your site. Want to call your AI agent? With the phone agent option, you can dial a phone number and interact with your AI over the phone. The voice agent works just like the standalone agent, but here's the cool part, you can change the AI agent's voice. Choose between different tones, accents, and even gender to match your brand style. And if you want to embed it on a web page, Jotform offers different embed styles to match your website's design. The SMS agent works just like the phone agent, but instead of calls, it sends and receives text messages. Want your AI agent to work on WhatsApp and Messenger? You'll need to connect your account first, but once it's set up, users can chat with your AI agent just like any other contact. We found Jotform is testing a Zoom agent feature. It's currently in beta, but you can try it out to see how your AI agent works in virtual meetings. And if you need to add your AI agent to other platforms, this option lets you integrate it wherever you need. And that's it. Your AI agent is now live and ready to use across multiple platforms. Now, let's check the result. In this tutorial, I wanted to walk you through building a simple AI agent, perfect for beginners. To make it easy, we used a real-world example, an AI-powered expense tracker to help manage your spending. We covered everything step by step. Step 1, choosing a Jotform AI agent template. Step 2, customizing the AI agent's appearance. Step 3, training the AI agent with forms and data. Step 4, enhancing accuracy with a knowledge base. Step 5, publishing and deploying your AI agent across platforms. By following these steps,
You should now have a solid understanding of how to build an AI agent yourself. Now that you know how to build an AI agent, what will you create next? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next AI automation tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.